Hello everyone. Welcome to the Ocean Scenes channel. The ocean holds so much wealth. The very diverse marine biota is one of the wealth that is very valuable for all of us. Various organisms live and give life to each other in the inhabited oceans. In this video, we will show about ecosystems, which are very important for the preservation of marine biota. Watch until the end, and happy watching! Yes, this video will provide information about coral reefs, the guardians of ocean biodiversity. Coral reefs are one of the three ocean guard ecosystems, along with mangrove forests and seagrass beds. Its existence is shaped by lime-producing marine life, particularly by types of rock corals and calcareous algae, with other biota living on the ocean floor. The function of coral reefs is very strategic, both ecologically and physically, because it is a dynamic ecosystem with rich biodiversity and high productivity. Experts explained that ecologically coral reefs function as a place for marine organisms, both animals and plants, to find food and take shelter. Physically protect the coast and shallow water ecosystem life from sea abrasion. Coral reefs consist of soft and hard corals. Hard corals are massive deposits of calcium carbonate produced from coral reef-forming organisms from the phylum Corallidaria, order Scleractinia. These organisms live in symbiosis with zooxanthellae and some calcareous algae and other organisms that secrete calcium carbonate. Biologically, in the process of its formation, algae gets carbon dioxide to carry out the process of photosynthesis and nutrients from coral reef animals. Soft corals do not have a symbiosis with algae, they are shaped like plants. Coral reefs reproduce sexually and asexually. Sexually, the process of reproduction occurs through the release of egg cells and sperm cells, then it is continued in hermaphroditic fertilization. Asexual reproduction will produce planula larvae that swim freely, and will grow into new coral colonies, if they settle on a substrate or place on the ocean floor. Coral reefs are very dependent on sunlight and the clarity of sea water. Sunlight is the main factor for the process of photosynthesis of zooxanthellae in coral reefs. The lack of sunlight will have an impact on the reduced ability of corals to produce calcium carbonate, and the process of reef formation will be hampered. The clarity of sea water is also very necessary for the survival of zooxanthellae, Dirty seawater will block the light. The depth of seawater that is good for coral reefs to grow is less than 50 to 70 meters, with a temperature of 25 to 29 degrees Celsius. Coral reefs are very sensitive to sedimentation, so they are not found in areas with too many freshwater inflows that carry a lot of silt. Coral reefs have a very high diversity of biota and are very productive, as well as being a good place to live for reef fish. The diversity of life in coral reef ecosystems per unit area is comparable or greater than that in tropical forests. Coral reefs are coastal protectors that function as breakwaters, which can cause erosion and disasters from other seawater phenomena. In this world, the area of coral reefs is estimated to reach 600,000 square kilometers, spread over more than 100 countries. Since the 1990s, experts have revealed the deteriorating condition of the world's coral reefs. Currently, it is estimated that 10% of the world's coral reefs are in very damaged condition, and may even be irreversible. An estimated 30% of existing coral reefs will be similarly damaged in the next 20 years without intensive conservation efforts. Everyone, that's all the video that was broadcast this time. Hopefully, the video will increase to our insight about the wealth in the ocean. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.